Hi everyone, today is Dash Excel Open 2025. The case is category by Benjamin Weber. Okay, let's do some reading here. Have a category, uh, a quiz game here. The goal is find a word for specific category that begin with given start letter. In general, there are many possible categories, but there is the case focused with three name giving city, country, and river. Valid answer on each category list in worksheet. Valid work. Okay, so here and then these are all the words. So I'm gonna name this the whole word WD, and then there are like unequal, but in like this column. And the top I would say category CA. Okay, back here. The letter level, the task is to assign point. So each word either 0, 5, 10, or 20. 0 if no valid word given. 5 if another person wrote the same word. Then 10 point if no one wrote the same word but someone else provide another valid word in category. And then 20 point if no one else. So this means if only one player answer 20 point. 2 or more depend on if it's the same answer. If it's the same answer, you will get 5 point, and then if you give separate answer, this will be 10 point. Okay, so start here. How many valid word in their total cost? If the word appear more than once, count it each time. So we have to count every word. So this one will be, oh wait, this will be just count A of word. Then this one I'll just do later. Okay, first one we just need the start letter. Okay, just left or this, which is good. Now we want to find the word for each one, so we have to find which word is come from, and then this one we just give the only one. So this means I just go add to call if this equal to word, and then I want category with 3. So this one we just keep the first, and I think they will not answer more than this. Okay. Now we need to play the game, and then we have to know if this word start with this and then in this category. So okay, let W with this, and then I want to find, so all W equal to word, and then oh no, from category, so I have to X look up for category for CA forward. So this is one, and then another one is left of W equal to start letter. So this will be criteria, and then if this, then valid, else will not valid. Okay. Now, okay, so now we play the single game, and then require starting letter, and then this word we have 3 words, always city, country, and river, and then we have to calculate the point. Now it's only one player, so here let W have to split the word, or no, split text split here by comma. So this will be our word, and then the first one will be city, country, and river, like that. And then we have, so here I can go with equal to WD because it align in this order, and then I can go by call and or. So we get true, false. Then another check is if no, if, so just left of W equal to start letter equal letter, which is I got true false, and then this is 20 point, so I can sum 20 multiplied by this multiplied by this point. Okay, now we have 2 pair, and then we have to know in the same time that each player answer the same. So okay, just still keeping this one. Okay, let's start with W. So like this is one player, and then I need two player together. So here is what should be done. So I text join on what is not in here with all this cross. Then I can text split this with 0, so I can get the same word at the same time. Then for each of this column, I need to find how many people on each word. So this means I have to like look up for this word on each column. So I need column number to do this one. So I go V stack 1, 2, 3 here. This. And with this means one column I have to answer like in array, not single. So normal by-call will not work here. So I have bisection column. So B call. Oh, I haven't bring my lambda yet. Okay. B call with W, and then let cat C will be index of WD by first one on this part, which is at W. So this will give me the column on each or index W. Wait. W here. Okay. Oh, I need lambda. I'm gonna W again. Should be fine. Oh, too many. Okay, now I have split, which is like each column will give each category, which is good. Here now I want to do the word. Oh, bad naming. Okay. W S here. S, and then the word will be drop. WS drop WS by first column, first row, because my first column is number, and then these are the word. W here, so this will be, oh, I will use this one. So I'm gonna X match W on the column. I should get two number right now, which is wrong. Index. Oh, I change this to WS. Okay, WS. Okay, now I can match this. And I only do the match when the same letter is start with that. So, okay, another check is if what left of W equal to start, which is this word, then I go X match. Else I'll go with that. If left, okay, close here. Wait, left X match, then cross here and cross here. Okay, good. Now just in case the word is not here, so if and A go with blank. Now when this one, so this C will be this two column, and then I can get the point when this is number. So if C is less than blank, then I have number. Okay, let's say 20 point. Shouldn't go. Okay, 20 point. And then other criteria is if only one player answer correctly, that will give 20 points. So if count of C equal to one player, and then I need 20 point. Else go with 10 first. Okay. And then I have to count how many we get correct. And then I like from beginning here, if I just go with C, I have to count like how many 150, how many of this and this. So Here I can go G by, which is stand for group by. So this will give me 2 columns like this, and then count how many number is there. So this is like 2, and this is 1 and 1. So with this I can look up. So I can VLOOKUP on C on this group by, give me column 2 0. This will give me the number, and then if only one answer for each player, this will give me 10 points. So here, if this equal to 1, then I have 10 points, else 5 points, and then the rest will be. So this will be answer for each player, and I have to sum up. So B row and sum, and then I need maximum point. Okay, so this will be B and max B. That's all. Okay, now that I doing like this, the question on this pro player will be just like here. I just expand this, and it should be fine. And the way it works is almost the same, except that VS now we have four player for each one. The top one here we have we have 2 player, and then we drop first row, so we have 4 player here. So before I do the max, I will have a score for each player. Let's go like this. Now, okay, this one we also have 4 player, but we also have 4 turns. So okay, it means this one will not work because I have to separate 4 player and 4 turn, and the concept is almost the same. I would do this text join, but now I'll text join all of this, and then split. Oh, I have to split each player by semicolon, so this one will change to here. Now we have 4 turn, but in this column like this. Okay, put it away here. So here I have to change something, and then I have to go by column again. So this one I'll go this by column, B call on this, and then lambda z. Okay, then this is the name. That means this part will be my drop first column on C out. Okay, so this one drop C 1 column out, and the first one will be the left, which is I have to check here. So this one will be first item on C, add C, and then do I need to go max now? Okay, let's not do the max. Let's go with this. Now I have all this. It means this is turn 1 on each player, turn 2, and if I sum by column, by row, I get the total score. So this is be by row, cross and sum. So this will be score on each player, and then max on this will be the top score. ESL, all good, right? Okay. Now this question, one letter that doesn't have single valid word, what is it? So one letter have to be the start letter, so I need letter list. Let's see, be char of sequence 26 start by 65. So this will be my C character, and then I have to check how many correct, so I can go count if on word that start with this. So wildcard at the end here. So these are the word, and then I can sort stack C by this, and then sort by column 2 to get the doesn't have single word. So this will be Q, ESL here. Which letter category combination has the most possible answer? So we have to count each category for each answer, and then this is perfect for B call again. I can go word and then lambda x. I'm gonna group by, so G by left of x, and then this will give me how many words. So this is first column, second column, third column. Then how many times? So max of all this. Be good. Which word is the valid answer for city, country, and river? This means that word have to happen 3 times. So again, G by, group by, and then I have to go to call with word list, and it would just give me like this, and then this have 3 times. ESL. Okay, next if we play 4 rounds, so B, okay, B, W, I, and X. Okay, then what is the maximum score? So if there are 3 words, 3 categories, start with this one, we will get 60. So the way is to count. So I can go, I have to count how many categories. So, okay, if left of word equal to on top here, I want category, so CA. And then I go to call to keep it in single, and then I can G by to count how many of this G by. Okay. Oh, error. Okay, wait, I have to get rid of error with 3. Okay, now I have 3. And I can just like take last column, get the number only. So now we have 3, 2, 3, and 1. And then this means I can just count rows and sum. So each contain 20 points. So just this one multiplied by 20. Okay. Now let's see what I did on my live attempt to improve myself. Okay, this is my live attempt. And first one, really got wrong because I use, okay, this one I name this column separately. So like city, country, and river. I use unique because somehow I read that like each time I thought it's meaning just one time, but so it's wrong. And then like I just tried doing this, and okay, this is what I did. I extract every letter, not just the first one. Then I like group by, and then another mistake is I didn't use. I should use more of my lambda, so like I didn't bring in my lambda at all because like I thought I can do this one, but actually B core is very suitable for this question. But okay, doesn't matter. And then spend quite long, like I can see like okay, these are all letter, and then I character, okay, character, then I like counting, like I don't see any 0 here. Okay, better if I sort this. No 0 or sort have to be column 2, like no 0. And then I go further, like it thought it's like, is there some kind of different alphabet part, like go extract and then go haywire here. Then nah, that's not good. Okay, this is easy one. This is just another thing is like I didn't see the whole structure of the level. So I do this to find the word and category like this. So that I can look up here, but it's only used for this level. Other level I didn't use. And okay, this is just the same. Check with or okay, these are the same. Then here is this. I do like this. And the problem is when I go to the next level, I didn't do combine, so I do this 2 times and restack, I guess. Yeah. So split A, I split A, split B, and then okay, this is max, this is M. So I have A, which is checking if the word is correct. Then C is C is something else. AC go by call. What? AC. BC. Okay. Check if it's correct. BC. And then I do reset this one. Check the correct answer. And then I have to go on this row on this part, which is like calculate score with calculate score with by call inside of this again. So without that bisection column, I have to nest a lot of by call inside here, and then still got good. But now the problem is going more. And instead of doing in single array, I make some lambda and do vstack. This is mx. So if I go L, this I'll get the first correct, okay, and then B will be all of 4 player. And I also need the word because this is just give me right or wrong. And then okay, so the word will be the like this, and then do the calculation inside. So it's work good in this case. And then like when it's go to this, I cannot like select each player on each turn because it's not a dynamic thing. And then I have problem try to like building. Okay, so this is like I split the first word out and split first player, and then I guess I split. So I try to split it out, and then like I cannot do it in single cell right now because if I continue like this, for the first one I have to go restack on each turn of each player. So this is 1 turn, this is 1 turn, 1 turn, and then I have to do this 4 times on with helper column, and then I couldn't make it through, so didn't get point on this part. Okay, so now I need to use more of my lambda. Okay, then okay, let's see any improvement on my lambda set. So okay, this will be quite useful and it's easy to make. So this one I'll go with A to Z lambda, which is will go A to C. So formula name new, this will be just hard code. Is it? No, and it's F2 equal sign. So this is A to C. I can get A to C like this. I don't have to go sequential, which is maybe useful. A to C. This is quite good. To use small B call and B roll. This is just left. This is I did this yesterday. Okay, done. Do we need lambda? No, don't need. Just simple to call. But okay, say if I lambda wow data return, then I okay, go with no to call. Just to call if wow equal to data and return get wow would be this data word return cat. Yeah. This one this this if I have to go compare each column, then I have to do VStack. This logic will keep changing. So is it worth to do this? What's word? Okay, this one will be first. But one thing like the joint part and split this one might be useful. So I need the limiter, and then this one I give a unique one, which is I can call char. Now I do like this one because we will hardly use char one, so it will not override with some already exit delimiter here. So this would be lambda x txt. If we txt, oh, and then delimiter. This would be comma space. Ah, it's wrong. Oh, txt. What do split do I have? I have split array. Rarely use this one. Never do. Yeah, never use this. What is this do? Data delimiter. Okay. Just split everything out. Oh, okay. So this is just like split everything out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, it's just split everything out. Can split array. Split The problem is I also don't know how to name this one. Split something. I'm not sure. Okay, I'll just one idea here. Just like it, and just give it a name later. I don't know how to name this. So this means I can go here with this. Oh no, not this. This one with this, and delimiter will be semicolon. I can just go split it like this here. Oh, what? Why? Semicolon. Oh, delimiter here. Delimiter have to be here. Delete. Then later I have to give option for default delimiter, which would be if it's omit delete, then comma default one, else go delete. Oh, okay. How about semi? If I don't give anything, it still split. Okay, just idea. Not sure. Okay, that should be all. So okay, update on my Lambda. Okay, Dim mentioned that I interpret things very differently from most of people. So like my first try, I think I just go follow by Dim, like this is like from 2 until 5, but not include 5. And then at some point, if I go like go with this, and then I wonder like if it 8 and 8, it still keep the 8 because it's, then I change my view to, so this one will be integer. Now that like 8 to 8 is mean number 8 integer, so it's like 2 to 5, and then Dim say here like if it say 2 p.m. to 5 p.m., then and then we have 6 p.m. until 8 p.m., then the time between 5 to 6 is not counting here. So this is another view. So I already update this one. So here if it what? Oh, if it just like normal, that people look through this range from 2. So 2 to 5, 6 to 8 will be not joined because we missing from 5 to 6 here. So this is a view of decimal number. And if I want to do the what? Oh, with integer, I give option here. It means 2, 5. Now we only consider integer, so 5 and 6 will merge into the next. So it means we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in the same range here, and this is integer or include. And I think I fixed everything, so intersect is almost the same. Okay, I keep sample here. So here is the different part working. So we have 1 to 10, and then we different by remove 2 to 3 out. So if we look in decimal view, this means now we have from 1 to 1.9 here. and then we remove 2 to 3 out, so we remove this part out, remove this out, remove this out, so now we get 1 to 2, 3 to 4, 3 to 5 here, 6 to 8, and 9 to 10. So this is the from to not inclusive one view, and then if it integer view, it means I have 1 to 10, I remove 2, 3 out, I only have 1 left. Remove 4, 5 to 6 out, I only have 4 left, and then remove 8 and 9 out, I only have 10 left. So here is what left if I look in like integer view, like this one, and the rest should be working fine. I haven't tested much, but from the sample that I test is working good. So here is the union. Normal union is just 10 and 11 is different. We missing 10 to 11, but if it integer part here, it will include into the same. Okay, and then oh, this is not giving different odd number. 2 to 5. Oh, so now here only part that give different number is this. So intersection between 18 to 19 is from here to here, and then we also have 18 to 19 here, so we go like that. And then if we look in integer view, we also have 20 here, so 20 will include in intersection, so this is small difference. Oh. Oh, and this one also update the last time because I got the very cool regex from Chong, and then it solved the part where it detect minus sign or the how it detect minus sign, or it will be the operator minus, which is eval p, which is this part here. Okay, this part here is how I detect. So if I go regex extract something on this, okay, -1, and then -1. Oh, have to be text. On or like, so okay, this part will look forward for any operator here, minus, plus, divide, multiply, power, exponential, or any of this bracket, and then if it found that, I would do the minus. If it not, then the minus will not count here. So like if I have a -1, then the minus will not be included because the minus should be operation here, operator. So this is the fix, which is very cool. So now I can do mini calculation. Roll call. I also update some more. Yep. Can't remember. Okay, roll call, update some more. So I add all of this symbol to like extract the combine here. So if it combine like this, when I split out, it will still keep like up, right, not left. And then if I just have right, oh wait, if right and up, which is not in this, it will just separate into one. Be some more, and then row code of this. Give it one. This. And then the latest one is I put reference here. So if I want the row number on this reference, okay, let's say this is A1, B1, C1, B2, F5, F2, Z5. Okay, row code. This normally just give the number of row 1, column 1, million plus 1. And then if I put it to reference, it will just get the row number, which is row 49. And then column K. So this one will be this, which I think might be useful. And the rest is just force direction. I already forgot all direction or optional direction, and then force split. Okay, so around this, rest is not much. Yeah, I think that will be all for today. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye.